We'll guide you through how to find and add friends on Discord. Adding friends on Discord lets you message, call, and invite them to servers easily. Let's get started. First, you'll need the person's Discord username. Keep in mind, Discord has both a display name and a username, and the username is the important one. It's the unique ID used to add someone. You can ask your friend to share their username, or they can find it in their user settings. Now, open Discord and click on Friends at the top. Then click on Add Friend. In the search box, type your friend's username. Make sure you enter it correctly. Once done, click on Send Friend Request. If everything is correct, your request will be sent instantly. Go to Pending tab to see how much friend request you sent. Now, just wait for them to accept your request. And that's it. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.